Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't see you there. You won a convention award? Well, congratulations. You don't know where you're going? That's an easy step. Walk with me and we'll go through the process of getting your stage appearance card, getting backstage, and having a great experience across the stage. The first thing you're going to need to make sure you have is your stage appearance card. This is going to tell you everything you need to know to make sure your walk across the stage is a great experience. Make sure you know where you're supposed to report, when you're supposed to report, and what award are you receiving. It'll tell you everything you need to know about where you're going to line up and in what order you're going to walk. Let's head backstage now. Once you have your stage appearance card and you know where you're going, you're going to find the blue flag and the backstage sign over on stage left that'll direct you all the way down to the backstage check-in area. Let's go! Once you get backstage, you'll find the backstage check-in table. There'll be a couple folks here to make sure your experience up on the big stage is as great as it can be. Make sure you have your stage appearance card because it'll tell you exactly where you need to go, what order you need to line up in, and when you're going to walk across the big stage. A couple of other things to keep in mind: take your buttons off. We don't want to blind anybody when you're walking across the big stage with all of those lights. Let's head back and get in line now. You have your stage appearance card, you made it backstage, your buttons are off, and it's time to head across the stage to earn that award. Let's go! Once you get off stage, you're going to find yourself down the steps and look for a courtesy corps member that'll tell you whether you're going to head back to your seats or if you got to head to the Farm Credit newsroom. Let's go check out the newsroom now. Just over my shoulder is the Farm Credit newsroom. If your award requires it, you may have to make a pit stop here to take some photos, fill out a press release, and send it on to your local publications to let everyone know about your great awards. If not, you're going to head back to your seats and enjoy the rest of convention. We want to thank Farm Credit Illinois for all of their support with the newsroom, our convention, and all of the activities we do throughout the year. Congratulations again on your award, and have a great convention.